In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a beat on BandLab. So there's actually a lot of different ways you can do this. You could go ahead and manually add it from your computer. So for example, let's say you have some beats saved on your computer and you would like to drop them and add them inside BandLab. You could just go ahead and drag and drop those here inside BandLab. So if I just drag and drop like this here, I have just some random beat. I can just release it over here, and as you can see, it's basically in here, and I can now play it whenever I want. So that's the first way you could do this. Now, of course, you could produce beats in here. There's a bunch of different tutorials on how to do this on YouTube. So of course, you can just keep on adding different tracks over here, drum machines, samplers, guitar, bass, whatever you want. And then of course, you can produce your own beat, or if you want to just add a quick beat here, you could also do it from the BandLab sounds. So just click on BandLab sounds here at the bottom right, and then in here you can just type in beat, and then you can press enter. And here you'll be able to see a bunch of different beats. You can see the packs, samples, etc. So you can just basically click on any of these to listen to them, and then you could just go ahead and essentially just drag and drop them on here. So if I click on this, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. Here we go. This is like a drum loop. Let's listen to this. Okay, you get the gist of it. So let's say this is what I want to add on. You can just basically drag and drop it here onto your track and then release it, and it's basically gonna be in there. You can close this away, and now you have yourself a beat here right inside your track. Okay, so that's basically how to add beats. There's a bunch of different ways, but I just wanted to show you what are some of the easiest ways to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.